Well, first comes recall, then comes baby, then comes a lawsuit and a very costly carriage. One new mom is suing a pharmaceutical company after her birth control pills were put in the wrong order. That essentially made them ineffective. The company recalled the pills, but it was too late. Shanta Russell got pregnant, had a baby girl, and now wants compensation for everything from the cost of raising her baby to compensation for all the ensuing emotional pain. Does she have a case? Mercedes Garland and Vikki Ziegler are ready to try this. Mercedes, does she have a case?
Can she read? That's the first question I would have with her. If you can read, it says on the package 91% effective. Even when you use the pills in order as it is supposed to be, it's only 91% effective. So that's what the warning is. The warning's very clear. Even if you take these pills, you may get pregnant. So take other precautions. That's why so many of these cases fall on their face.
But Vikki, I think in this case, it was indeed the company that somehow got the order out of whack, right? Or explain what happened.
That's exactly what happened. Usually there's different rows, and apparently the placebo was mixed up with the active ingredient to forestall pregnancy. So the argument really is the defectiveness of the item. It's not necessarily that you can't read or the pill was ineffective. It reduced the efficacy of the actual product. It's a clear products liability case. You buy a product specifically so you can't get pregnant, or you're reducing the ability to. Here, she didn't even have a shot because the placebo was being taken at the wrong time.
So the 91% efficacy rule doesn't apply regardless, even if the company screwed up?
I think it's going to be a comparative negligence issue. I think they're going to say, hey, you have culpability too because we can't guarantee 100% you're not going to get pregnant by taking birth control. However, the manufacturer created a product. They made a $1.4 million recall here, telling 1.4 people, listen, we're taking our product back. We made a mistake. We were negligent. And that's the problem. It's too late because now she has a baby.
Even under those circumstances, though, it's very clear. The companies come forward and they say, we represent pharmaceutical companies. When they make mistakes like this and their recalls, it depends on what the warnings say. Here, the warnings are very clear. Even if you use the product as it is intended, even if it was packaged correctly, it's only 91%
Understood,
effective.
but in this case, it was clearly not packaged
But even when
there was a mistake.
Even when there are mistakes like that, if you've got that type of warning, it gives you the layer of protection. That's what happens
whether it's
when
your
these products
screw up or not.
Exactly right. Because otherwise, I mean, look, they made it. Otherwise, they won't even do a recall. I mean, what you don't want to happen is if a mistake is made, the companies
did
can't
they do a recall?
They did do a recall,
How
but
soon
if
after
you
this?
punish the companies for making recalls by saying, hey, you make a recall, now you're going to be punished. You're not going to have companies that are going to do those recalls. That's why there's a layer of protection. Is that warning sufficient that even in the circumstances where there are recalls, is that person warned?
And who made the recall? A pharmacist found it out. The company didn't even find it out, and it was too late. And listen, even though it's not going to be perhaps child rearing damages for this child until the child's 18, I think there's mitigating factors that would allow her to get some type of damages. Medical costs, emotional distress. She was working, she was traveling, she didn't want to have a child. It's horrible for the child, of course, to go through this type of litigation to at least see what's going on.
I mean, years later for that little girl, and to the mother's credit, I mean, she had the baby, she loves this little girl, but she's saying, look, at the time and with the suddenness of all of this, didn't really like it. But I guess what I'm asking is, what are the repercussions of this? Because if a company can mix up either the packaging or even the directions and not get punished for it, legally or otherwise, then that is a slippery slope too.
Absolutely.
Right?
There has to be some culpability. And there is case law out there that says there's holdings. People in this exact situation that file suit against manufacturers have recouped money and damages. To what extent is the question here? I don't think it's a slam dunk loss. I don't think it's a slam dunk win. But I think they're going to settle out of court to say, listen, here's some money because you did go through something. And we are saying
we know of other
we were
women
negligent.
who were in a similar situation.
Well, there's been cases just directly on point. And the courts say if the warning is sufficient, they don't get anything.
But even if it's a company screwing
even if it's a mistake, they really reflect on that warning. If that warning is sufficient to cover a mistake, absolutely.
Right, but
because it makes sense though, Neil. Because if you don't give that layer of protection, then you don't have recalls. Then you don't have the protection for other companies, for them to recall the product.
You sound like one of these crazy lawyers. Didn't you read the fine print on your Carnival Cruise Line ticket?
Yeah.
What about the person who was eating
we could have you the feces on the floor, and that might happen. And
remember,
did you ever see? I had a client who called me and said, "Wait a minute, why is there a warning on my ink my ink that says do not consume. I said, because someone obviously consumed it, and that's why they put a warning on it.
I think it was foreseeable that this could have happened. Unfortunately, they could have protected themselves in a better fashion. And look, that's why certain states have wrongful contraception issues. There is a specific tort that talks about wrongful contraception, and that's the problem here. This is an unwanted pregnancy. She didn't want it. She took a prescription birth control pill that did not work properly.
I worry about that little girl when she's
Yeah,
of age.
I
She
know.
says, read me the story,
And what
Mommy, how you didn't want me.
And
Poor
what
thing.
emotional pain?
Man.
She's got a beautiful baby girl
She
out of
does.
it. They're all
And
emotional
I
pain.
She's not
hope
going to
she does.
Miami anymore.
All right, guys. Turning out those Boeing Dreamliners aren't